hold up. No, hold up. I don't get intimidated. This is, as a matter of fact, I would rather talk all day. Good afternoon. My name is Rayford Lee Brown Sr. I am the owner and founder of B&B Cleaning Services, LLC. We are a janitorial, floor cleaning, and property maintenance business. We have been in this industry for 35 years, serving metropolitan Maryland, D.C., and Virginia. Our goal is to give you the utmost in cleaning services without any type of delays as well as satisfaction. We will always satisfy everything that you need. We provide these services with the utmost professionalism. We have been in the industry, like I said, for 35 years. Specialties are the janitorial, floor care, property maintenance, more focusing on construction cleaning, pre, post, and during construction. We also will do residential property. We will provide these services at different hours, which are found on my website. I thank you for your time, and please do not forget B&B Cleaning Services, LLC. Thank you very much.
You nailed it.
Is that what you think?